Hey, Ethan. Hey, Josh.
What's going on?
What'd y'all get?
Got a bacon,
Sausage biscuit and some vitamin water.
Some vitamin water, buddy.
Powerade and bacon, egg, and cheese. See you later, Ethan.
What's up, YouTube? All right, what's up, YouTube? We took the wrong turn, added about 20 minutes, so go fuck ourselves. I'm gonna try and not swear as much so I don't have to bleep out so much shiitake mushrooms. But yeah, Ethan's behind us. You can't see him, but he's right there in the car, not in the back. I'm not schizophrenic, don't worry. Here's Josh Smith.
Yes, sir, the one and only. Hopefully we make it before 12 o'clock at midnight down the mountain.
Y'all see that red car? Just passed me going 140. I'm going 100 right now. Yeah, me, dude.
Oh, I probably gotta take a piss. Oh my god, we're cooked.
Stopping here real quick to take a piss.
Yeah, okay. And you got a little fucking John Pork.
I don't even know where I should put this.
Welcome back. We got the Three Stooges in here. This is Chris, this is
Ethan,
and this is
Josh.
We're going to the Glen Ellis Trail about 15 minutes away. We just dropped off Ethan's car. It's a point-to-point hike. About 17 miles is what the app says, but we've been lied to before, so we could have...
Turn left onto New Hampshire 16 South.
New Hampshire, suck my I'm gonna guess this is turning left right here. If you look up there, yeah. So that's great.
Pretty IP.
We're gonna find a parking space, about $5, I think. We can pay right there. And we're actually just gonna park right here.
smash.
Parked and ready to kill ourselves. No wind whatsoever.
Oh,
Turn it on yourself real quick. No wind whatsoever. Okay?
No, like this is actually crazy. I'm actually getting pushed.
Alright, it's starting up. Cash? No. Y'all got cash?
holy shit, I don't think so.
We're cooked.
Yeah, take everything out.
Listen to this.
Damn!
Ooh, nice.
I'm not trying to shake this. The wind's just making my whole, like, everything shake.
Where the f is...
Price says credit card only.
And then it says use cash options. What does that even mean?
You know what?
I'm pissed.
Alright.
Is this one gonna work?
I swear to God, she just did it in front of me and it's not gonna work. Can I read that ass right now? Oh, it's starting up. Day use. Okay. 1 day use. Are we up here for 1 day or 2 days?
1 day.
I think just one.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
We'll see back in the end of this video.
My god.
Or is it just gonna... Because you can put your card backwards.
My bad, my bad.
Put the card the other way, bro.
How do I do it? I've done it both ways now.
Flip it the other way.
What the
There we go. Alright. This is us 17 miles-ish before Carter-Moriah and Wildcat. Start.
Oh yeah.
You ready to start?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm not. We found our first bit of elevation. It's about 1,000 feet straight up. All right, at viewpoint number 1 right now. Nice view.
Beautiful.
How's the elevation, guys?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah, this should be the viewpoint right here. This is better.
All right, we're done.
Yeah, we're done right here. This whole mountain.
Lion sleeps tonight. Okay, so we're gonna see how far Chris can get in this little cave right here.
I don't know.
If he can even get into the cave.
Oh my god, stop, bro, I'm stuck. Can you help me?
How much smaller are you?
I think you're a little less broad.
It's just, it's so, you probably gotta get as far as you can to the left side.
Just start getting your legs in.
I don't know if I could turn in here though.
Yeah. I get both hands.
You're gonna call it backwards.
That is the easiest way on it.
I don't even know if like I want to try to do that.
Just go up. I'm here to pull you.
That's scary upside.
Oh wow.
It's doable.
Oh my god, it's doable, bro.
Oh.
Hey, Ethan.
No.
I think Pete Diet we could do it. Pete Diet.
It's that. You gotta. Yeah, you gotta get as far as you can to this side.
No, my shoulders are too wide to get past it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for more caves up here.
Okay, bet.
I mean, you can climb through this, but it's not really fun. Light work. Yeah. A lot more cozier.
Oh yeah. And then there's this little den.
What the?
Is that where you're camping tonight?
Yeah. Dude, like just.
You'd be so safe in there.
I would.
Now let's see you get out.
It's definitely uncomfortable. I got you.
Oh, there's one down there. That's sick. Wait, if this rock was here, I could literally climb down this way.
Yeah, I think that's the one I'm looking at down there.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Enjoy the way out.
Just climbing a mountain, you know, casual viewpoints. It's only 15 minutes in.
There's the truck. There we are.
That was a house?
I so want to go on that. That would be such a sick ledge, but you can't get to it because of that gap right there. All right, we're gonna take our first little snack break. We got Dominican Papi Discovery. Let's go. Yeah, we gotta sleep somewhere tonight. It's right here. Yo, that's sick. No, you can go this way.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, you've been this way?
Yeah. Oh my god! You can go up.
Oh my, it keeps going.
No f***ing way. What?
Yo.
Did you see this? It keeps going and going. Oh my god. What?
Hey, don't swear. Oh, you're paused? Wow. Well, found second one. Yeah. Squishes me. Oh, he goes far. Here we go.
Oh, there's like a cave that way.
That's cool.
Holy sh**. What?
That's like a two. What you having, Ethan?
Some lemon pepper tuna and an onion bagel.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not like the proper historian, but so I believe that this is the Appalachian Trail.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I believe that it goes from Mount Katahdin
Okay.
all the way to from Maine to Springer Mountain in Georgia.
Okay.
No way.
Georgia is almost 2,000 miles that way.
Oh, hey, no swearing.
Let's
Fudging.
go.
Sip fudging.
Frickin', man.
Yeah, freaking.
And where are we right now?
We are on the top of Wildcat E.
No,
Which is...
Wildcat. E was back there.
Oh, we're just on the top of Wildcat.
Yep, beautiful view, by the way. Wish I could take that shuttle down right now.
Yeah, right.
And that's just some chill people enjoying their view.
Stop! This is the resort operations boundary. Area not patrolled or maintained beyond this point. You are responsible for your own safety and survival.
Wow, that was pretty fruity.
It was. How do you like it?
I loved it. The thing is, we still have so much time in our day.
Yeah. Ethan switched over to shorts. Why is that?
It started getting real high.
All right, 3.5 miles, about 2,800 feet of elevation at this point. Elevation definitely is almost over at this point, and then we're gonna go, you know, down the mountain. Then we have to go back up, then down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You know, that's like 3-4 miles are gonna be completely down, so that should be fun. Get our mile pace back.
Holy
And you broke your ankle.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa!
That was a naughty word.
Again, I am descent mogging, so came at this sign. There's also this sign. ATD tour. And that and that. Just came from that. Passed the guy. Left Ethan and Josh, but I'm just gonna chill here, wait for him. Met up with Ethan, but Josh is a little behind. We'll report back soon. And now, ba-da-ba-bum, Josh. 12 minutes for Josh to get to me. This, I don't even know, probably 10 minutes. And then he was only about 3 minutes behind him. So, yeah. Found the first hut. Little off route, but
It's a mini store diner.
okay.
What's in there?
Mini store diner. Not too far. It's like 0.1. How you doing, bro? Yeah. Yeah.
It's only like hit.
Yeah. Coffee cake. How is it? Yeah. Especially after about 5 miles. Bathrooms. I actually have to shit too. Like, bro. It's looking like it might rain, boy. How long? I don't know. 3, 2, 1.
Light work, that's...
I got an idea. And that one, but oh my God. Well, my leg's cramping. We are on Carter Dome right now, I'm pretty sure. Josh is gone. I think we just made it up the incline, so there's that. How you doing, Ethan? Yeah. Woohoo! Okay, I guess someone's old campsite. Nice view that way. And we're gonna go back this way, the correct way. Wow. Yo! Holy shit! Let's see your reaction to this.
Oh, whoa.
Look this way.
That's actually crazy.
We found Joshy Poo. How's it been?
Oh, it's been great.
We got whatever the that says. Whatever the frick that says and whatever this says. That's where we just came from. Okay.
Tough boys. It is so windy up here.
What?
I forgot the 4.
What?
I forgot the 4. Is that the way down? So, yeah, it just turned off as he fell, but here's the aftermath.
As I do that, that was the stupidest. That's the only time we're gonna probably catch this thing.
Yeah, I know, right? You guys should have saw the first time he fell. He literally, it was this bit down right here.
Yeah.
He slipped on a rock and he tumbled like almost down down a cliff.
It was to my right side. My this caught me. It like
Yeah.
wedged between this and I was like, all right, good.
And then this dude up here slacking. I almost just slipped.
Buddy, I don't know. We might have to. I need a massage.
Yeah.
I'll get your hip, bro.
I'll get your calf if you, or your leg if you get my hip. I did.
I don't know if I just ripped open a blister on my middle toe, but like my toe just felt like it ripped open on the bottom. Logan was going through it bad.
Right now?
No, but I think he's better now. I haven't asked him to send me a foot picture, but yeah. Oh, I caught all that in my meta glasses. Cut it out of the video, cut it out. Oh. There we go, it's recorded. I should have fall all the way though, bro. It's not even that interesting. All right, hiya! You like the incline?
I like the decline.
Yeah, the decline's great.
What about the incline that we're gonna have to face really soon? Josh has left us once again. I actually love this spot. It's not bad. So, yeah, lovely spot. Nice trees. Like I could sleep here if there's like just like a little spot right there that had like a tent area, but guess not. He added a layer.
But it's wet because my leaking water bottle in the bag, which is real nice.
Yeah.
In a minute. Puffing that oxygen. Puffing that O2. All right. I think we're on top of South Carter right now. Little spot right here and back there. So that could be your bedroom. Could be my bedroom. Josh can sleep somewhere else. Yeah. Not bad. Point of life. This is beautiful to see. Just a bunch of plank boards giving us the flatness we need. You trying to take pictures? So 1.9 miles to IMP campsite. Imp campsite. We're actually gonna meet that dude. He said he's gonna sleep here tonight.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We got a little night light for our adventure now. Waiting for Josh. Hey, Josh. Please register with caretaker. Yeah, Ethan doesn't have his walking stick anymore. He left it. He kept forgetting it behind, and it just got to a point where he just left it. What does this say? Carter-Moriah Trail, North Carter Trail, Storybook, Moriah, Bush House, Trail. Imp campsite, point 3. I'm all by myself right now. I'm gonna get to the camp first, which I kind of don't want to do. I got stage fright, bro. I got sweatpants that I'll change into, and a semi sweatshirt that I will put on. I don't know anymore though. Like, I would much rather take the beating right now and keep going and end up at the car and then in my bed. But at the same time, we'll see how sleep is here tonight. Oh, which way? This way? Bet. That way. All right, boys, I left the Imp shelter. I am alone by myself right now. Sadly, Josh and Ethan are sleeping with like 10 other people, but I feel so much better doing this. I couldn't sleep. It is really cold. 30, 40 mile per hour winds constantly hitting you. there wasn't enough space to be in the imp shelter with other people, and we didn't want to wake anybody up, so we slept on the porch. Guess what? I opened my eyes. Josh and Ethan are in the imp shelter, but not far in. They've only made it into the doorway. But even if I were to do that, that shit would not fly with me. But I will not be doing Moriah. I'll be turning early down a different trail. So yeah, I'm sorry. All right, guys, we are 0.1 miles from the trail that I've taken. Freedom. Freedom. We just requested a Uber, so we'll see. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna walk about 10 miles back to my f***ing truck. So, go f*** myself, you know? Yeah. I'm seeing something right in front of me. It's like running back and forth on the road. I'm actually getting like trauma looking at this. It doesn't look that steep on camera probably, but that's what we climbed up. Pretty sure that's where I'm supposed to be going right there. I am so goddamn close. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Glen Ellis Falls, my bad. I don't give a shit anymore. Okay. Good news, my truck's still here, but not until I walk up to it and don't see a parking ticket. Here we go. Anything? Nope. My ticket's right there though. And this is me after a failed attempt at a full through of Wildcat to Moriah. At that point though, how much I walked at the end, I would like to say I did Moriah. But we'll come back and do a solo Moriah hike. Hello, you're at the bottom, Josh.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. It was amazing.
Yo, Chris.
Yeah?
You could slide me my shirt real quick?
What shirt?
It's a Tommy Hilfiger.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Time.
How was the food? All right. How's the food?
Food's great.
Better than what you had, protein bars on the mountain?
Oh, for sure. I got caramel frapped Oreos in it, dirty Dr. Pepper, egg biscuits, truly sausage, egg thingies.
$2. Good.
$2 a
Yeah.
piece, yeah.
Pretty good. What about you?
I got 3 sausage and biscuit sandwiches, a Sprite and some water,
And the hot cake syrup.
and the hot cake syrup.
Yeah.
Gotta get that because these biscuits are dry.
How many of those you got? You got 3 of them?
Yeah, I got 3.
3 of them. 3 of them.
3 of them.
Bye-bye. See you later.
See ya.